Now let's start explaining how to use this reader. This is the reader, and is powered on. First, the reader needs to be connected to the antenna. These four are ports for connecting antennas. This is the antenna. Connect the antenna port to any port of the reader. These four can be connected at the same time. You can also only connect any one of them. Now, we connect it to this antenna number 1. Then you need to connect the reader with the computer. The first method is to connect via network cable. This is the network cable. First, connect one port of the network cable to the computer. The other port is connected to the network port of the reader. The network port is on the side of the reader. The light here is on, which shows has been connected. Find the reader client on the computer. Find the program with the suffix exe and open it. Choose TCP client. Then click search. OK, the device was successfully detected. Then click connect. Shows that it connects success. After that, you can start reading label. Place the tag on the antenna. Click EPC. You can see that the label has been read. Similarly, select read TID. The TID information of this tag has been shown here. On the right side of the software interface are some setting options. This is to set the antenna power. You can edit it directly here, if there are multiple antennas. Here you can select all. Now there is only one antenna, so just select one. Now let's demonstrate the second connection method, connecting with the USB Type-C cable. First, connect this USB port to the computer. The Type-C is connected to the Type-C port of the reader. The connection method is the same as the previous method. Switch the mode to USB here. Here you can see that a device has been detected. Click connect to successfully connect. The rest is the same as using a network cable. Can read and write normally. For example, read EPC and TID. Sometimes, the network cable had connected the computer and the reader, but failed to connect to the client. This situation may be because the computer IP is inconsistent with the reader IP. Now let's look at the IP address of this reader. 192.168.1.116. Next, look at the IP address of the computer. Click IPv4. You can see that the IP of this computer is 192.168.11.100. This 11 is inconsistent with the .1 of the reader. That was the reason of connection failure. So you need to change the IP address of the computer to be consistent. Change this 11 to 1. Click Save. Make sure and exit. Now the computer and the IP address of the reader in the same network segment, both are .1. Now click Connect again. Now the pop-up window shows that the connection has been successful. Read and write operation can now be performed normally.